Hi there, my name is Gina Golden with Inner Coach Counseling. I am a therapist and a coach, and I am here to talk about this and all the fuss about AI and Chatgpt and all the other types of platforms. But today I'm going to focus on ways that we can use it to our benefit. What conversation starters and questions that can help initiate meaningful discussions. What activities or hobbies make you lose track of time? The second one, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why? And what's a goal you've always wanted to? How do you handle challenges or setbacks in your life? What are some areas in your life where you feel you've grown the most over the past year? So you see how these are very engaging questions, things that a lot of therapists would think to ask and sometimes not, right? And sometimes we kind of get stuck in a rut and we might ask the same questions over and over again. So this is actually beneficial to both the therapist and the client or consumer. The third one, emotions and well-being. That's the topic. How do you typically manage stress when it arises? And then they have relationships and connections. Who is someone you admire and why? What qualities do you value most in your close relationships? What's a memorable experience you've had with a friend or family member? This topic is dreams and aspirations. If you could achieve one big dream in your life, what would it be? What steps can you take to bring you closer to your aspirations? And how do you envision your ideal life 5 years from now? Values and beliefs, mindfulness and reflection, creativity and imagination. And so it says here, feel free to adapt these prompts to suit the context and the person you're conversing with. Meaningful discussions often stem from open-ended questions that encourage reflection and self-expression. So even though it is providing this information, it's still saying, you know what, you still can adapt these and you can still bring your human touch to these questions, and you can customize them in a way that makes sense for you and your practice. So that was helpful to you. I hope that it inspired you to look a little deeper into AI and maybe not be so threatened by it. And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Have a good